Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Colio. In this video, we will discuss a small but interesting question of probability. Let's read the question first. Consider sequences that consist of zeros and ones. The probability that a random sequence of length 2022 contains an equal number of occurrence of 0, 1 and 1, 0. So in this question, first of all, you have to observe we are using two substrings. One is 0, 1. Other is 1, 0. Both are representing changes. One is from 0 to 1, other is from 1 to 0. Okay. If we want equal number of A and equal number of B, this implies number of changes should be even in number. This is the first thing we have to observe. Second thing, which is most important in this question, that is difference between number of A and number of B cannot exceed 1. Difference between number of A and number of B cannot exceed 1. Now one may ask why it is not possible. If we write A 4 times, you can write like this, you can write like this: A1, 1, 1, A0, A0, 0, 0, A. Here how many A? 4. How many B? 0. So difference is 4. Is it true that difference of number of A and number of B here is 4? Is it true? No, it is not. Why? Once right value of A is 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How many changes? How many A's are there? 4. But when we are writing A and A, sequence is changing from 0 to 1, but at next step sequence is changes from 1 to 0. From 1 to 0. So we have 4A, but we have 3B as well. Because A means 0 to 1 change and B means 1 to 0. So when we will write two consecutive A's, obviously B must exist there. If the sequence is like this, in between there are number of 1, number of zeros, in this situation also we can observe that 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. How many A's are there? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. But at the same time, here we are changing from 1 to 0. So B is there. One more B is there. One more B is there. So whenever you will start a sequence from 0, first substring must be A. When you will start a substring from string from 1, first substring must be B. Okay. So in this, if we add 0 in the end, in this string, if we add 0 in the end, what will happen? We will get 4 B's. So 4A, 4B. And what is happening? We are starting with 0, ending with 0. And we observed already, if we start a sequence with 0, first substring must be A. If we end a string with 0, last substring must be B. And the difference between number of A and number of B cannot more than 1. Alright? So, by starting or ending with 0, we will get equal number of A, equal number of B. In the same way, by starting and ending with 1, we will get equal number of A, equal number of B. You can check same thing in this example as well. If we add 0 in the end, we will get same number of A and same number of B. We want to find probability. Which probability of getting same number of A and same number of B? So if we have any string which is starting with 1, ending with 1, starting with 0, ending with 0, or ending with 0, then we will get same number of A, same number of B. But if we start with 1, end with 0, start with 0, end with 1, then number of A and number of B will not be same. Total possibilities are these 4, out of which 2 are favorable. So what is required probability? Required probability will be favorable upon total, and it is half. So The most important thing, number of A, number of B. Difference between these two cannot more than 1. That was important thing in this question. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye bye for now.